Hi, I'm Jim. I've had bridges done here and multiple other dental procedures done by my dental company and Doug Olson. Coming into my dental company here, there's a smell of warm cookies. The doctor and his staff make cookies for people when they come in. You can have one if you want, and the staff is always very welcoming. And so when I went in to the chair for my normal, checkup, he determined that there was a problem with the root of one of my teeth that basically was unfixable. So we had to pull the tooth. There was never any pain, but he took care of the entire procedure very quickly, very efficiently. And after we got the tooth out, of course, we had the gum heal up. And then he was able, with some of his newer technology, to be able to basically use a 3D printer to build up the bridge that was necessary for my tooth. I've had some other dental work done in other places that required an awful lot of adjusting and fitting. And this thing went in perfectly the first time, and today I don't have any sensitivity or anything else with that.
Jim's been a wonderful patient, and we've been friends as well outside of work. And it's amazing to work with such an incredible individual. He's had a long history of service to our country and leadership, and to be able to have his trust and confidence in what we're doing means a lot because of the kind of person that he is and the experiences that he's had in the past as well.
When people ask me, I, without hesitation, recommend Dr. Olson and my dental company. I've gone to him for a long time, and in all the procedures that I've had done with Dr. Olson, he is always very transparent and detailed in his explanation of why we need to do certain things or why certain things should be done. He does it in a way that is easy to understand. He does it in a way that's non-threatening. It's very, very comforting to me as a person to know that he's taking care of me, because I know that he'll do the right thing.